Hey, StreamBee is an analytics tool for content creators and streamers just like you and me. StreamBee has the most detailed analytics for your Twitch streams. Each stream's dashboard is split to a few tabs where we focus on overview, engagement, viewership, and in the future also monetization. If you're a variety streamer, we also compare the performance of all the games and segments so you can understand their value. You can deep dive into the data and each metric has its own detailed view. StreamBee is your partner for growth. We put the blunt numbers into context and give you personalized growth tips. You don't have to be a data analyst to grow. You make the best content and we crunch the numbers for you. Just follow our tips. Finally, one dashboard where you can track Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, Discord, and all your platforms in one place. We focus on key metrics such as followers or views. Here, you can see the whole size of your fanbase and understand your portfolio. What are you waiting for? Start growing your streams right away at StreamBee.io.